Hey everyone! In 2026, Google Sheets still defaults to a 26-column limit for new files, but adding more is a breeze. Today, I'm showing you the quickest way to expand into AA, AB, and beyond. Let's jump in. Step 1. Locate column Z. First, open your spreadsheet and scroll all the way to the right until you see column Z. This is usually where the default grid ends and the gray background begins. Step 2. Use the Insert Right-Click method. The simplest way to add a few columns is to use your mouse. Right-click on the letter Z at the top of the column. From the menu that appears, select Insert One Column Right. Immediately, a new column labeled AA will appear. You can repeat this as many times as you need for AB, AC, and so on. Step 3. Bulk add columns, the pro way. If you need 50 or 100 columns at once, don't do them one by one. Click the header of column Z. Hold down the Shift key and click back toward column T or S to highlight a group of columns. Now right-click any of the highlighted headers. You will now see an option that says Insert X Columns Right, where X is the number you highlighted. This lets you jump straight to column AZ or further in one click. Step 4. Using the bottom scroll shortcut. There is also a hidden button if you scroll to the very bottom of your sheet. Look at the bottom left corner of the grid area. You'll see a button that says Add next to a number box. Type in 26 or 50 and hit the button. This automatically extends your grid width without you having to highlight anything at the top. Step 5. Verify the new labels. Once you've added them, scroll back up. You'll see the labeling system shifts to double letters. After AZ, it will move to BA, ensuring you have virtually unlimited horizontal space for your data. Expanding your workspace is that simple. Now you can keep your data growing without hitting a wall. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.